Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So this is episode 2 of Will This Kit Be Enough? Let's continue filling this journal. And before starting, let me remind you this is also a giveaway. So if you want to know the rules, you can watch episode 1 of this series.
Hi, I'm here again.
Yeah, I can see that. And I think it's time for the next challenge, right?
Obviously. So your next challenge is no straight placement.
That means everything has to be a little tilted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So I'm starting with this piece. I really like these colors together. I'm just placing it slightly off. I'm not trying to make it perfect, just going with the flow. I think it's starting to look better. I'm adding these soft pink strokes on the edges just to give it little frame.
Better.
I know. Okay, this is how it turned out. I like how everything is not straight but still looks balanced.
Well, I didn't expect this.
It actually works.
Right.
Sometimes when things are not perfectly straight, they actually look more natural and a little more interesting. It doesn't have to be perfect to look good, right?
So your next challenge is decorate only the top.
Only the top? Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. So I'm using this soft pastel pink paper. It's really pretty. I'm folding it and cutting a wave shape out of it.
Are you sure?
You just wait and watch. Okay, this looks so cute. It already feels like a header for the page. I'll just decorate this part, keeping everything at the top only.
That's actually clean.
Yeah, and very soft and simple. I really like this one.
Yeah, it's simple, but it stands out.
Exactly. Sometimes you don't need to fill the whole page. Just focusing on one area can actually make it look more neat and beautiful.
Alright, your next challenge is everything in the center.
Sounds interesting. Let's go. So I'm using these stamp style stickers. I'm layering everything in the middle, just building it up. And I'll secure it with some washi tape.
That looks neat.
Yeah, very clean look. So this was the first page, and then this one is the second page. And at the end, this is the third page. I feel like every page had a completely different style. What do you think, Lumi?
Yeah, different but good.
Yeah, that's the fun part. Okay, so that's it for today.
Don't get comfortable. Next one will be harder.
Well, let's see that. Okay,
Okay, bye.